Hey everyone, welcome. This is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. Okay, so this has been a requested video to show how I find my wording for some of my signs that I do as DIYs. So let me show you. First, you're going to go to Google, and in the search box, just search whichever phrase you want for your sign. I'm actually wanting to do a home sweet home sign. So I put it in and then click on images, and you'll see all of these different options, many different ones that you can choose from. If you click on it, it'll show it a little bit bigger. And keep in mind, like for this, maybe you just want to use the words. You don't want the top of the house or these little, I don't even know what you'd call these, things on the side of the word sweet. You can copy whichever part of it you want to use. So I kind of like this one, but I think this is a little different than ones I've used before. So I'm going to click on this one, and when you right click, you'll go to Save Image As, and then it'll take you to a folder in your computer. Mine usually goes to Downloads, and then I'm just going to call it something that I'll be able to find it again. So I call it Home Sweet Home. Okay, and it is a JPEG, which is like a picture. All right, so I'm going to save that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my word processing program, which I use Microsoft Word. And it will open it up. And I'll just open a blank document. The first thing I do is go to Layout and make my margins small so my picture can fill up the page. If it's a wide quote, you may want to change your orientation to landscape. I think I'm just going to leave mine going up and down. So then I'll go here to Insert, Picture, and go to Downloads. And I will start typing Home Sweet Home, and there it is. So I will double click on it and it will fill the page. Now, if you want the words larger, do you see all this white space here? Right click it, you can crop the picture, bring it down, bring it in on the sides. Okay, let's see what it looks like on the bottom. Oh yeah, all this white space on the bottom. Up. All right, now it has made it just this much. So I can then drag it and make it larger on my page. Okay, so there's my graphic now that I can use. I can just go ahead and print this on my printer. And then it will be ready to do the technique where I scribble the pencil on the back and apply it then to my sign. So let me show you that next. So as you've seen me do before, on my printed out words, I flip it over and I just take my pencil and scribble so that it's behind wherever my letters are printed. Here, when I do the word home, you can actually see the word backwards. Now I'm scribbling over sweet and just making sure that my pencil is pretty dark behind each word or each letter of the words. So now you'll just position the words where you want them on your sign or whatever you are transferring the words to. And then without the paper moving, go ahead and trace around the outlines of each letter. You'll want to press fairly hard so that the pencil will transfer onto your piece of wood so that you'll be able to see it in order to outline it with your paint pen. And here's what the sign looks like with the pencil outlined words. Here's a close-up of the paint markers I use. I buy them at Walmart. This actually is a medium tip, but it does come in fine tip and also, I believe, a chisel tip. So at this point, you've seen me do this in other DIY videos. I just go over and trace the outline that I've made with the pencil and then fill it in with the paint marker. I love using these markers. They have great flow of the paint through the tip, and I just think they're the best quality of the paint markers out there. And I believe they're like $3 or less a piece. So a really great investment for being able to add wording to your signs. So I want to thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. And to those of you that requested this video, I hope it has been helpful for you. If you still have any questions about how I do this, go ahead and leave them in the comments, or maybe leave a comment of what you enjoyed about this video. Was it helpful to you? Do you feel like you'll be able to now add wording to your DIY projects? And if you're new here, stopping by for the first time, thanks so much for checking out my channel. I hope you will subscribe and check out some of my decor DIY videos that I've also posted. And be sure to check back to my channel to see the final product of this decor DIY. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.